nummer heet Eyes Closed. Het gaat over jong zijn en onervaren. Why do your eyes hang so low? Why do you smile soft and slow at me? How do you think that it works? When do you think that we'll learn how to be in love? Why does it all seem to change whenever you turn away? The feeling comes and goes. How come we've never been told how to be in love? But when I look your way, suddenly it all seems so clear. And when you take my hand, it doesn't seem so hard to understand how to be in love. Although the signs all say the same, to just let go and fall away. What if we're going too far? Well, I don't mind if we are. 'Cause I won't love you mind to what they say, that we just don't understand these things. 'Cause when you're by my side, there's nothing they can say to change my mind. 'Cause I know that it's love, so I won't be afraid to play the game. No, I'll talk, know all the rules, and without knowing how to, I'll find a way to love you headlong. And eyes closed. Look my way, understand that I'm not afraid. And when you take my hand, I'll show you that I finally comprehend. There's so many ways for us to love.
Danke.